How to change payment method on Roblox mobile. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can change payment method in Roblox mobile. So then to begin with, launch your Roblox account. It's going to direct you to the home page of Roblox. Make sure that you're already logged in. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So click on the three dot icon located right at the bottom. Now from here, you'll need to scroll down a bit. Go ahead and tap on settings. After that, it's going to direct you to the settings page. Under it, there are multiple options. So go to billing section. Here, if you already have a premium account, then you'll be able to see your card details and all that. And if you don't have a premium account, then you'll be asked to join a premium account. So for that, you need to click on the subscribe button, enter in the card details, and you'll be able to get an access of a premium account. Apart from that, if you already have a premium method, then click on the card details. Next page, you'll need to click on add card. After that, enter in all the information such as your card information, that includes your card number, CVV code, name of the card, and all that. Once you've done that, you've successfully added your card. You're also receiving a confirmation or a statement through an email or an SMS stating that the card has been successfully changed. So in this way, you can change payment method on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.